This is a stretch for the short adductor muscles, or the muscles on the inner thighs. What you'll do is form a butterfly, or put the soles of your feet together. This is called a butterfly stretch too. And you'll grab your ankles. I'd like to do this up against the wall because it keeps my back nice and flat, it protects my low back. And what you'll do is you'll press down until you come to an end point, and you'll hold that for a count of 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to press your inner thighs against your elbows and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, and this should go down further. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax, should go down even further. And you're going to hold that for another 10, and just repeat it 2 to 3 times.